Before you share any documents from your Google Drive on your Google website, you need to make sure that the viewing permissions are set correctly. You do not want to post items that will not be viewable by the visitors to your website. To check the viewing permissions, open the document, slideshow, spreadsheet, or other item from your drive that you want to post on your site. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. When the dialog box opens, check the information under Get Link. If you see restricted, only people added can open with this link, click in this area of the screen and look at the drop-down arrow menu next to restricted and move the check mark to anyone with the link. Look on the right side of the screen and make sure that it says Viewer there. Click Done, and you will now be ready to add this file to your Google website, and your visitors will be able to view it.